What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Vybz Kartel demands 100,000 US to clash Bounty Killer and Movado.
Avalanche, me no boundary.
La 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 la. That I'm floating on $1,000 bill.
What the deal? Bounty Killer say he is ready for Vybz Kartel and Sting.
This is Rodney Price, aka the greatest, coming in with the latest. Hey yo, haters try to hate this.
What the deal? The Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt and United States 400-meter runner Sanya Richards have won their second IAAF award for Athlete of the Year.
Jamaica have the fastest man in alive. Him faster than Caramine. That's all new.
What the deal? Lisa Ipe celebrated her birthday at the Quad and said that she had a lot of support from her fans.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Walla said them bad, smartly tell me when since rifle shot a crack the skull, them and a broke up them ribs. M16